the heart of the Bronx, where the magnolias bloom. There's a man with the lens in the garden's perfume. Half his life in these streets, with the vision so clear. Capture moments, bringing memories near. His name is Emin, with his camera in hand. In the Bronx Botanical Garden, he takes his stand, shooting the beauty where the magnolias sway. He's the photographer, sharing feelings in his own way. Through the lens, the world's a canvas, so vast and so wide. With each click and a flash, he's a storyteller inside. From the petals to the people, his photos convey a tale of the Bronx in a vibrant display. Emin Kuliev, a name that rings through the Bronx. His art, it sings. In every frame, a piece of his heart. With every shot, his life's a part. In the heart of the Bronx, where the magnolias bloom, there's a man with a lens in the garden's perfume. Half his life in these streets, with a vision so clear. Capturing moments, bringing memories near. His name is Emin, with his camera